how to change payment method in Amazon after order. You want to open up the Amazon app. Once you have the app open, click on the three lines at the bottom and then see all. Here, we just want to go into our orders. So go to the orders page and it's going to show you all of your available orders here, or the ones that you've created. So what you want to do, you can change your payment method for an order if it's not been shipped yet. So here, choose the order which hasn't been shipped. So I'm just going to click on this one. And underneath your address, you will see view or change this order. So click on that option. Here, if it was created as a separate order and the product hasn't been shipped yet, you will see an option to change the payment method. For me, it's not showing because this was created as a multi-order, so that's why it's not showing. But if the item is not shipped and you created it as a separate order, here you will see change payment method. Click on that, change your payment method, and that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.